Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for online courses with Montana State University, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Montana State University website. Look for the Admissions tab on the home page. Click on this tab to access more options. Select Online Degrees and Courses from the drop-down menu. Explore the available online programs on this page. Choose the program that interests you by clicking on it. Review the program details carefully. Note any prerequisites or requirements listed. Click on the Apply Now button if you are ready to register. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Fill out the application form with your personal information. Make sure to provide accurate contact details. Upload any required documents, such as transcripts. Review your application for any errors. Submit your application once you are satisfied with the information. After submission, monitor your email for updates from the admissions office. Once accepted, you will receive instructions on how to enroll. Follow the provided link to access your student portal. Log in using your credentials sent via email. Navigate to the course catalog within the student portal. Select the courses you wish to take. Add the chosen courses to your cart. Review the courses to ensure they meet your needs. Proceed to checkout and confirm your enrollment. Pay any applicable fees using the payment options provided. After payment, you will receive a confirmation of registration. Check your student email regularly for further instructions and updates. Now you are ready to begin your online learning journey with Montana State University. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.